Well, hello there, GSP.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Central Houston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina.
Are you thinking of refinancing your home to get cash out for college, renovation, or to pay off debt?
Heavy rain falling in Houston County. Catawba Creek and Gaston are flood stage of the National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Central Houston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling in Gaston County. Source: Catawba Creek and Gastonia has risen above flood stage of the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned gauges indicated heavy rain falling in Gaston County. Flood stage of 9. High Shoals, the Cottonville, Crowder's Mountain State Park, Lake Wiley, Crowder's and Lucia. Flooded roads. Most of flood damage to current vehicles. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas. Bessemer City, South Gastonia, Dallas, Stanley, Creamerton, Lowell, High Shoals, the Cottonville, Crowder's Mountain State Park, Lake Wiley, Crowder's and Lucia. Flooded roads.
Well, that kind of just came out of nowhere.
Marketplace is supported by Easy Cater, helping companies solve food for work nationwide. From employee lunches to sales meetings, learn about corporate food solutions at easycater.com. And EAS, protecting the largest companies against cyber attacks. Technology with security expertise to meet.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Spear. President Biden has cleared the way for an
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Central Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling in Gaston County. Catawba Creek in Gastonia has risen above flood stage of 9.
Oh, great. Is Union going to be next?
At 11 feet. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area but will taper off through 8 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gastonia, Mount Holly, Belmont, Bessemer City, South Gastonia, Dallas, Stanley, Creamerton, Lowell, High Shoals, the Cottonville, Crowder's Mountain State Park, Lake Wiley, Crowder's and Lucia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
In the past, thousands of residents there have protested the invasion and
Pro. Okay. I'll take it.